Assalamualaikum warahmatullahi wabarakatuh. So we're in Melbourne. We're in our Airbnb. Okay, come. I'm gonna show you a house tour. So this is probably the baby room. As you can see, there's a baby crib here and a sofa here. So maybe this is a baby room. Okay. As you can see here, there are plushies and there are books, and there's a shoe rack for our shoes. Okay, we'll go upstairs later. We're still going to be in the down part. Hello, Ayash. Here is the toilet. The toilet is quite small, it's a perfect size for small people lah.
Are you small?
No. Okay, and this is the laundry room. So here we have the washing machine and the dryer. And here we have a perfect nice sink if you want to hand wash anything.
Are you doing it?
No. Okay, we'll be in that part later because it's still setting up. Okay, so here's the dining room. This is a perfect dining room. I really love it. So many wine glass. Here's the kitchen. The kitchen is very big. It's huge, humongous. I'm still wondering what's in this room, guys. What is this? What is it?
I think it's like dry area.
Oh, it's a pantry! It's a pantry, guys.
Can you switch it on the light?
Stop. Guys, this is the pantry. The pantry, there's a snow globe. As you can tell, it's a very cold weather now in Australia, Melbourne. So yeah, of course, snow globe. Okay. As you can see for the kitchen, there's a stove. The stove is really big. You can cook a lot of stuff. So is the oven. And guys, a coffee maker. How perfect. Maybe this is salt and pepper. And here's a microwave. Here is the drawer for the sink. Oh, and there's so many dishwasher. Yeah. Okay, next, the living room. The living room doesn't have a TV, which is perfect so you can spend quality time with your family. I guess. So, it's really big. You can see from outside as well. But currently it's really dark right now. It's 6 plus. I think this should be an area for like chilling. Okay, so here we're gonna see the outside. Be careful. Be careful. Wow, it's beautiful, isn't it? Guys, come. You stay there.
Backyard.
And here's the backyard. It's quite small, but don't worry.
What place is that?
It's a golf area. It's for golfing. Okay, so we're not going to stay outside for too long. It's really cold. It's really starting to get cold. Chilly. Ooh. So here we have like another chilling place. There's a fireplace. It's basically a heater. So we have like this nice beautiful rose, and we have a teepee. Yes, a teepee. So we're gonna show you upstairs now. Come follow me. There is one room that we haven't shown you. It's the garage. Quite big, am I right? Okay, nothing in the garage. So we're gonna show you the upstairs now. Follow me, guys. Okay, so here we can see the nice view of the trees, I guess. Welcome to the upstairs. Okay. So we're gonna show you this room first. This is a nice room. This is my parents' room. There's no bathtub though. Shower area. Okay, so here is the wardrobe. Whoa! Is it your old house? Is it your old house, right? So here's the wardrobe. It might be a bit dark. The wardrobe has mirrors. Next area, we have the bathtub.
We should get a bubble, right?
Yeah. And here is also a shower area. And they separated another room for the toilet. It's quite small as well, a bit, but it's fine. It's fine. Okay, next room. Next room we have my auntie's room. Show yourself. So, yeah, it's small, but indeed quite lovely. Am I right? And then we have the wardrobe. Ooh, it's so small. Get behind, see. Okay, sorry about that. Let's go to outer room. It's lovely. It's lovely. So you see, we have the flower pillow, and then like it's pink. This is a guy's room and it's pink. It's okay. It doesn't mean that you're trans or anything, but like it's okay. It's okay. It's small. It's small. You can do a bit of gymnastics here. Okay. Next room. It's my parents' room. Oh, it's lovely too. Oh, my hand is getting really cold. I'm so sorry, it's really red. Oh. So, just like this. And then this is supposed to, like, when your shirt is crumpled, you can knitted it again. Duh. Then next is the room. It's like, nice. Okay, next room. Oh, it's a closet. You don't close me here. So it's a closet. It's a very nice, very small. I don't know what's those. And it's a laptop. Last room, the smiley face. So okay, first we're gonna show you this area. Who's my? Yes, my aunties. Okay, sorry, my hand's too cold. I can't do anything. So here, there's a balcony. Oh, that's this is my mom, guys. Sponsor her because she's very kind. She's very sweet. Okay, now we have the balcony. Oh. Assalamualaikum, peaceful world. Oh, sejuk nak mampus. So we will have the balcony. Look at the view, guys. It's not perfect, but it's nice. Sorry, guys. I was trying to prank my mom. We'll see you in the next part of the video.
Yes. Yes. Pasal macam mana? Jauh lah kita nak. Oh, tak. Tak apa-apa tak weh. Oh, tak boleh, lah kan ada kereta. Oh, ada kereta. Oh, mami ada kabel. nak patut. Keluar dekat.
Apa? Bos ke?
Tak boleh sampai.
Yes. Faster, faster, faster. Faster, faster. Yes. Yes. Ooh. Wah, nampak?
Tak nampak. Macam nak ke bawah kan? Which one is nak tarik balik? Which one is nak that one?
Apa? Ha.
Nampak terlepas.
Satu boleh makan. Apa lauk ni dah.
Ayah boleh makan bubukan balik.
Boleh bawa balik?
Boleh.
Aduh.
Oh, berat.
Okey.
And all just cleaned?
Yeah, all just
Perfect.
Fine dog, maybe not wash, just wash.
Kau beli apa? Apa?
Tu, kau try. Macam muskat tu. Seperti
Macam mana?
sedap lah, mangga sedap.
Banyak lah pisang nak beli. Banyak pisang nak beli.
Dia beli.
Thank you.